right, guys, I had to get the hater blockers out. I got to get the watch guys out because with this new money printer in your credit bureau business, oh my gosh, guys, people are going to get jealous, guys. So let me show you the secret weapon of what's working right now in the credit bureau industry in terms of ads and getting your entire calendar just freaking booked up. Guys, this method is going to be so unique that I'm sure no agency has ever even talked to you about doing this because it's very unorthodox. We leverage AI in our ads to be able to bring you pre-qualified and scheduled up appointments. But yeah, we've done that and we've made plenty of videos about that. What is different now, Blake? Give me the secret sauce. I want to know. Well, guess what, guys? Now what we can do is we can incorporate AI and AI virtual assistant to make sure that whenever someone pre-qualifies and schedules up an appointment with you, they also have their affiliate link for their credit monitoring service. I'm talking Identity IQ, I'm talking Smart Credit, whatever it is, guys, we make sure that before they schedule up an appointment with you, they're already going to sign up for your affiliate link. So right out the bat, you're going to be winning. Guys, let's do some numbers on this, okay? So let's say that whenever you sign up with somebody for Identity IQ, you're probably going to make around $30 or $40, guys. So right away, even if you get a pre-qualified scheduled appointment for $100, guys, that still means that you're only spending $70 to acquire a client because immediately by getting them to sign up for that affiliate link, that takes $30 off the cost per acquisition. Okay, but guess what, guys? We don't spend $70 to get this pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed, and also make sure that they have the affiliate link for credit monitoring. It's not $70; it's more like $50. Okay, so scratch that. I'm taking that down to $50, guys. Oops, over there, $50. I had to write out there just to show you guys that it's real, and I'll explain this more in a second how this works. Okay, but $50 every single time you're gonna get a pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed appointment with their credit monitoring, guys. That's unheard of. That's insane. And there's a special way that we actually do this in terms of leveraging AI targeting and AI virtual assistants. You know, the entire process is really just broken down like this. We run ads through the messenger over to our AI virtual assistant, which then pre-qualifies, make sure they have enough money, gets their credit monitoring service, and then schedules up into a call with you guys for you guys to then make your money. And what's really incredible about this, guys, is because they're so highly targeted, these people, these leads, these appointments, these potential clients, you know, they already have their credit monitoring, they already know your prices. In the pre-qualification, we already asked them, hey, do you have enough money for this? Do you have at least $1,000 to invest in your credit? They already have enough money. So guys, these closes are just super easy. Matter of fact, we even have a five-minute close script that goes with this because the closing is just so darn easy, guys. You know, they're already ready. They know what credit repair is. Their questions are answered on the actual FAQ AI virtual assistant. You know, that portion where the AI virtual assistant is scheduling an appointment with them, they can ask their questions there and they already answer it. You plug in your website, you plug in your FAQ list, whatever you got to do into this AI virtual assistant, even if it takes PDF documents, it understands all the information and is able to speak on behalf of you guys. So it's almost as if you have your own 24/7 virtual assistant that's able to constantly respond back to everybody. So you don't have to have 3, 4, 5 virtual assistants to make sure you get everybody accounted for. All you need is one AI virtual assistant. It's going to work for you 24/7. It's going to pre-qualify, upsell, downsell, get people to sign up for your affiliate, credit monitoring service, and schedule appointments for you guys and answer all your questions. It's a no-brainer. So let me show you how this works. Because what we also do is we leverage AI to tap into an almost virtually unlimited supply of leads to send over to this bot. Let me show you how this works, guys. So first, let's talk about the ads. Part 1. So this video is going to be structured into 3 parts. Part 1 is the actual ads and how we really get incredible results with our ads that were very, very targeted, high quality people. First portion over here. So these are some ads that we are running for a client over here. And as you can see over here, its cost per result is $15. But now what you're probably thinking, but Blade, you said it was $50. What's going on? Well, before I get into that, let me show another one over here. So this one is them as well. Let's go into this merchant account over here, $15. This is $5 over here for credit repair. What is this over here? This one is around $6 or $7. So let me kind of break down the math behind this because it's pretty awesome. So how this works is 1 out of every 3 or 4 people that submit this survey over here or strike up the conversation with our AI virtual assistant, continue to follow up with the pre-qualification, sign up for the affiliate monitoring, the credit monitoring, and eventually turn out to be a scheduled appointment for you. So what this means is that if we have 3 or 4 people come in, every single time I spend $15, we're going to get one person to come into the AIVA. Cool. We're going to spend 4 times that amount. So 15 times 4, 115 times 4 is around $60. Okay. In which case you're going to have 4 people coming in. Whenever 3 or 4 people come in, that means you're going to get, every single time 3 or 4 people come in, you're going to get a pre-qualified, get the affiliate link, scheduled appointment. So every single time you spend around $50 or $60, that means we're going to get a scheduled appointment that already has the credit monitoring already set. Okay. So now you understand how we get that number from. So every single time we get 50 or $60, we're getting this amazing appointment that's highly qualified, ready to go. Okay. So now let's talk about how we actually get this highly targeted people. Okay, because there's a couple of really cool ways that we do. First things first, as you can see over here, we have the first campaign, retargeting Instagram engagers. So what we ensure is that the first line of defense, first thing we go for is people that are actually following and engaging on our social media platforms. We want to hit those people up. We want to hit people, if you had your pixel already installed onto your website, we make sure that we also hit your people that visited your website. So people that engage with the social media, people that visit your website, or we also take a past lead list. So active clients that you might have had in the past, we take that, compile into a CSV file, and send it over to our Facebook's custom audience, in which case it creates a custom audience that we can create what's called 1% lookalike. What the 1% lookalike allows us to do is take all the similarities of this database of people that visited our website, visited our Instagram, visited, or is just in the lead list, can compare all the similarities on that lead list, find out what other people most likely to convert to this offer in comparison to the similarities, like if they engaged in another Facebook page, or if a bunch of people are following a similar person, or has liked a certain post, or is interested in Experian or Credit Monitor or whatever, takes all the similarities based upon Facebook's algorithm and compiles a target audience that we're going to send ads out to that are most likely to convert. So basically what the lookalike audience does is it grabs all the similarities based upon a certain database and sends it out and creates an audience that you can send that out to that are most likely to convert based upon the similarities of who actually converted already. Okay, that was a little bit of a mouthful. I know, guys, I know, but stay with me over here. So step 1, guys, is we retarget all your Instagram engagers. We retarget all of your Facebook page engagers. We retarget anyone that has DM'd you, anyone that's followed you, anyone that's liked, commented, shared your posts. Okay, we retarget all those people with ads. What we also do is take a past lead list and making sure we're targeting any past clients. You know, maybe somebody has opted in for some freebies. We target those people as well too. Okay, but what we do is we do things a little bit differently. We also add in one extra layer of targeting. Okay, because what we found is that the Facebook's algorithm, its pixel, is very, very smart. And as soon as you're able to really teach the Facebook pixel on how to target people that are most likely to ready to convert with your offer, the more you're able to warm it up, the more it has a better time actually decreasing that cost or spend and finding really good people that are most likely willing to convert. So what we also do is take it one step further. What we can do is we can take all your competitors and anybody that has engaged with your competitors, we can lead scrape them, create once again a lookalike audience based upon that, or even just send those people out ads directly. So what we're able to do is ethically steal your competitors' data to send those people ads out to. And we can do this on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and YouTube as well too. We're able to leverage AI targeting to be able to send ads out to lookalike audiences. We're able to leverage your competitors' audiences as well to send ads out to. And all that in conjunction with Facebook having an incredible AI software already built in allows us to really laser target ads. In addition to that, Facebook as well takes into account your copy in your Instagram bio, your Instagram posts, or on your actual ads. Depending on what you put in your copy is where the AI will target to put that ad or that post or that page out to. So what we make sure is that every single post that we do is we make sure it's very laser targeted to the person that we want to speak out to. Another couple of pieces of advice, because I'm sure you've ran into some sort of issues that are similar to this, is that if you're running ads out, especially for credit repair or these other very saturated niches, a lot of times people run bots on Facebook ads, Meta ads, YouTube ads. So you're gonna find a lot of leads coming in. A lot of them are fake leads with fake emails and fake numbers. So the way we go around that is we make sure that we send Meta ads out to only messages, to actual verified Instagram and Facebook accounts. This way we're not just doing lead forms or funnels, in which case bots can just spam those things up, driving your cost for results very high or your cost for acquisition very high. What we make sure is that in the copy, we specifically don't just go for credit repair, but we make sure that we really leverage a specific niche in credit repair. So a couple good examples are renter to homeowner or veterans only credit repair, or what we could do is, decrease your mortgage rate or decrease your car payments. So not necessarily talking about credit, but more so going about the solution that credit repair gives you. And by doing so, by really being specific in the credit repair industry that you're trying to send this ads out to, this offer out to, it drives a way better result than just sending it out in general credit repair ads. We first learned this when we were doing, like I said, renter to homeowner, in which case we were sending ads out just credit repair. Okay, the cost of result was super high. We're getting a shit ton of fake bots, fake phone numbers, and then we switched the ad out from homeowner then, and that completely did a complete 180, and we're getting actual legit emails, legit phone numbers. That in combination with sending them over to Instagram Messenger, Instagram DM, and Facebook Messenger, only further allows us to send ads out to just real accounts. The more you guys win, the more you're gonna end up paying me. So I want you guys to win, all right? And I want this to work for you guys. So what I'm trying to say is that's how we target. Step 2 is you can take our AI virtual assistant, and what our AI virtual assistant is going to do is going to then pre-qualify these people. What we could do is we can set up the AI virtual assistant to ask for the credit monitoring or to not require the credit monitoring service. And that's as simple as putting an extra step into our function over here. What's really great about AI Virtual Assistant is that it can take all the information from your website. All you gotta do is take the knowledge base on your website and send over your website link directly onto here. Click on add or edit Ava's data over here. And you can quite literally add your website onto here. For example, this is Gil Garcia that we're working with. You can take it and then you can plug it in to our AI virtual assistant here. Boom, just like that, creditrepair.com, but I'm not gonna do it here, that's not the right thing. And you can train the VA on how to speak on behalf of your company. You can also add FAQs on there as well too, understand how to speak on behalf of the company as well too. But this is pretty simple, that we try to make the actual setup of the AI virtual assistant as simple as possible. Simple is best. And so you're usually going to you're going to keep the description how it is over here. Instructions, you're a sales agent called Gil, obviously change out the name, the company name. Conversation workflow, ask qualification questions in order. Okay. Your response should be a brief 2 to 3 sentences max, call to action, quick 15-minute credit consultation call. And in this conversation of workflow, what you can also do is we can also match the tonality. So some people might speak more professionally than others, where some people might be saying, yo, what's up, what's good? Whereas other people are like, sir, yes, sir, thank you, sir. So we can change out the professionalism as well too by saying here, speak more professional or speak as a 8th grade speaking level, whatever you want to do. Next thing is we can integrate this with any CRM, Salesforce, Go High Level, ClickFunnels, whatever you have, we can integrate it with just an API. Appointment booking, right now we have this one integrated directly with his Go High Level calendar, which is synced synonymously with his Google Calendar. And lead qualification questions. So these are the qualification questions that we have set up for him. First one is, do you mind sharing your current credit score and what things you might need help removing, collections, late payments, inquiries, whatever. Next question is, have you ever filed for bankruptcy? Third question is, do you currently have access to your FICO report? Credit Karma or Credit Rise won't be accurate. And the fourth question is, if you can provide a solution to start getting your credit report cleaned up ASAP, would you be ready to get started this week? And we say over here, ask only one question at a time. Okay, those are the pre-qualification questions that Gil over here asks us to be able to put. And over here, whenever you change anything out, you can test anything you want on the right side over here just by responding back and forth, clear chat and things like that. You can hide that as well too. Simple, just like that. And now all these conversations, this actual conversation workflow, once you connect the APIs and be directly integrated to like Go High Level or Twilio, whatever you're using over here, and all the conversations, you can quite literally just see right over here go in during real time. Just like that. It makes it super simple. So in your Instagram and your Facebook, you can have the AI virtual assistant pre-qualify and schedule appointments, guys, 24/7 while you're not there. That in conjunction with an amazing go high level system over here that we built out for you to be able to handle all your onboarding, your sales sequences, your email sequences, your text messages, your funnels, retargeting funnels, all that, guys, creates this amazing platform for you to just be a money printing credit repair machine, guys. So if you guys have any other questions involved into this credit repair business, guys, I strongly encourage you to reach out. I want to make you as successful as possible, especially with this money printing machine over here. There's plenty of ways to get in contact with us as well too. I want to help you guys. The more money I make you, the more money you end up paying me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, everybody.